My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist Trainer, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics in Dublin. If you're a doctor, nurse, beautician or somebody looking to get into the aesthetic industry, you should consider downloading your free training module on laser hair removal in the description below this video, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, or if you're new, please subscribe. Welcome to Laser Boss Community, where we upload 2 to 3 educational videos each week based on the aesthetic industry. And I'm proud to say that this video is sponsored by ClickFunnels, your online software for web, blogs and sales funnel needs. Make sure to check out your free 14-day trial in the link in the description below this video.
I can feel it, but it's not painful. It's so weird.
No.
Yeah.
Visually, this looks painful because we're drawing blood, but because we have the numbing cream on, Jenny's not feeling anything but our little crunch.
Yeah.
So what is the crunching?
Just it breaking
The skin, okay.
So it's creating little channels.
When I was kind of researching it, I couldn't get over like how many celebrities use it.
Yeah.
It's because it's natural, like you're not applying any chemicals into the skin.
Yeah.
And that's kind of the way it's going now. Everybody wants natural.
Yeah.
So it's great for anti-aging overall, for general rejuvenation. If you've got any pit holes from acne scarring, just general open pores. If you've got any like post-surgery scarring. How did you find the treatment today?
I was grand. I mean, like there's no soreness whatsoever. Like, do you get what I'm saying? I still feel a bit numb. So I'd say by the time the numbness wears off, it'll just be,
Yeah.
do you know what I mean?
And